Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you this easy way of making buns and you're going to love this. It came out so amazing. First you want to sieve 2 cups of flour and then you're going to go in with 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of butter and you combine this together until everything has been fully combined. Then you're going to go in with half cup of milk, or even you can add this milk bit by bit to be sure that it isn't so much in your mixture. Then you're going to combine this with your hands until the dough has been formed. You don't want this dough so strong or so soft, okay? You want this, moderate, the texture should be something like this on the video. Is not so strong and not so soft. You're going to flour your work surface with just a little bit of flour. Sprinkle it on your work surface. You transfer the dough that you made on this work surface and you would knead it until the flour has been combined to this dough, just the way that I am doing it on this video. You're going to need this for about 2 to 3 minutes and you'd come out with something like this. You use a rolling pin or whatever you can find in your kitchen to roll this out. Okay, you're going to roll it out, not going to be so thin or so thick. You just want to roll this out almost to the thickness of that of chin chin, but it's going to be thicker than that. Okay, you're going to roll this out gently and then you want to cut the outer parts of this dough so that it's straight. Now we are going to go ahead and cut out our bones. So this is, I'm just going to cut it out into different shapes. You can cut this into any shape of your choice, square, rectangle, whatever shape you want to cut it out. I'm just cutting this into square shapes, and I would also cut out, some rectangle shapes so you also see how I did that. Then we're going to go into frying this dough. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for sticking around. I love you so much. Thank you for your support. So I'm trying to cut out, the rectangle shape using my knife. If you have a ruler, you can use it to cut this out. I'm just using things that I have available in my kitchen to make this, and you can try this out too. You don't need so much equipment or so much materials to make this. So this is it. Where I'm going to fry this. I'll preheat my oil and I'll fry this. You want to do a deep frying for this so that everything gets evenly brown and gets done inside. So I'm adding this little by little. I'll go ahead and fry it until my desired brownness has been achieved. I'll strain this out with a paper towel or in a basket, and your buns is ready to be served. Your children will love this recipe and you're going to enjoy this too. It came out so nice and delicious. Everyone loved it and I guess you will love it too. If you're going to give this recipe a try, don't forget to tell me how it came out and what you think about this recipe. I don't know the name for this recipe, but this is something you can make anytime from the comfort of your home in your kitchen, and you would love the outcome. This is it. I'm bringing out the ones that I'm okay with how they've turned out brown, while I'll also fry the rest for some time until they are ready. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and share. Subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and yeah, stay tuned for more amazing videos. You can check out my channel for other interesting videos that I have up on my channel, other recipes you would love to try this Christmas. And I wish you a 30 December full of joy. This is the outcome for those mini buns, guys. These are nice. They are so delicious, amazing. You would not want to buy buns again after trying out this recipe because it is so delicious and it is rich. It is rich. You have You can add whatever you want to add in these buns. You can see how nice it is, and I'm just going to open one to show you how the inside is, how the inside looks like. it it's so good. It's so good, I'll tell you. So give this recipe a try and give me a feedback of how it turned out. You can see how good the inside is, guys. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Till next time. Bye.